Okay, so here's a client site, and they requested a certain plugin we've built. So we made a custom one for them. Clickable image tabs. But as you'll see, they don't look great on mobile. Not intuitive. So we have a mobile design. Squarespace doesn't have this function inherently. So what do? This. So if I go to the CSS of the site, I can hide the custom code on mobile. So that's gone now. And then at the same min-max, I can hide the mobile blocks on desktop. We still have some spacers here, I believe, but that's a later problem. Either way, solved. And this is for 7.1. For 7.0, I'll do a separate tutorial because there's an easier way. I've got it queued up here actually. Cool. Enjoy. Comments below with any questions. I'll also add the code in the description. Best of luck.